We'll guide you through how to change all font color in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your project and make sure all text layers are already placed in the timeline. Click once on a text clip in the timeline to select it. Go to the top menu and open the Essential Graphics panel so you can edit text properties. In the Edit tab, locate the Appearance section where the Fill Color option is displayed. Click the Fill Color box to open the color picker window. Choose the new color you want to apply, then confirm your selection. The selected text clip will immediately change to the new font color. To apply the same color to all other text clips, right-click the edited text clip in the timeline and choose Copy. Hold the Ctrl key and select all other text clips that need the same color update. After selecting them, right-click on one of the highlighted clips and choose Paste Attributes. In the Paste Attributes window, make sure Graphic Properties is checked, then press OK. All selected text clips will now update to the same font color. Another method is using a master text style for consistent control. Select one text clip and adjust its fill color inside the Essential Graphics panel. Then click the Create Style option in the panel menu to save the formatting as a new text style. Name the style and confirm it is saved. Select each remaining text clip one by one and apply the Save Style from the Style drop-down list in Essential Graphics. This method ensures all font colors match exactly. If multiple text layers exist inside a single graphic clip, click the graphic clip in the timeline and open Essential Graphics. In the layer list, hold Ctrl and select all text layers at once. Change the fill color once, and the update will apply to every selected text layer inside that graphic. After finishing, scrub the timeline to review different sections and confirm all text now shows the updated color. Save your project using Ctrl+S to keep the changes. Finally, preview the sequence in the program monitor to verify the new font color appears correctly across the entire video before exporting the final file.